Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the new arrival NGTeco brand wireless NVR kit and how to set up the whole system and how to watch the video either on the NVR or remotely on the mobile app. Okay, let's go ahead and check out what's in the box. Alright, on the table is all the devices and accessories in the package. And we have one copy quick start guide for the Wi-Fi NVR kit. And 1 unit 4-channel Wi-Fi NVR. And 4 unit wireless IP cameras. And also we have 5 power adapter. 4 pieces of them is a DC 12 1 for the 4 cameras separately. And also we have one DC 12 2 amp for the NVR. And also we included the mouse, network cable, and screws. Okay, let's go ahead to check out the camera firstly. It has the 4 units of wireless IP cameras like this in the package, and very good build quality, and feel very, it's very solid and sturdy because they are designed for outdoor working and able to handle different weather conditions. They are IP66 rating for water and dust resistance. The resolution for this camera is up to 1080p, which could deliver the very crystal clear image we will get to later and in the monitor. It supports night video that uses the 4-pixel infrared LED, and the working distance can be 10 to 50 meters. Each camera has one power jack, can be supported DC 12 power supply, and also with the reset button can be go to factory default. They also come with the detachable antenna and work with 2.4 GHz radio with which very good penetration performance. This is a wireless NVR, it's a black color box and with our NGTeco logo on the front panel. And this model is come with 1 TB internal hard disk drive inside, and optional we also have a different model that without hard disk drive in case you already have your own. And it has 2 antenna, and which also working on 2.4 GHz radio, the same as the cameras. It has the port on the back panel. We have 1 port VGA and 1 port HDMI can be connected to the monitor. The internet port can be connected to the network router, 2 USB, and can be connected to the mouse or to the external backup pen drive. So factory default, the camera appeared is NVR already. That basically means if I power on the NVR and power on the cameras, after the NVR is up and running, the camera will automatically start streaming. Now the NVR is recording the video, and also we can either watch the live video or playback an early time. Alright, let's check out the NVR manual. The default username to access NVR is admin, and the default password is also admin. So we input the password here. For the safety purpose, please make sure you change your password after first login, so no one else can access it. If you would run the wireless NVR on the internet, just need to connect it into the router. You could choose the DHCP mode, so the NVR should receive an IP address from the router, or you could input the IP address and the DNS manually. If the internet is connected, then the cloud ID, the status will change from the offline to waiting for connection. So it means the network is ready. And another features of this NVR is supplying human body detection alarm, which is powered by NGTeco deep learning algorithm. It means it could filter out the non-interested, the object motion alarm caused by tree leaves, shadows, animals, and only focus on the human body detections. So if you need just open, just enable the body filter functions. The body human detection will be enabled. Now the NVR is online. We should be able to access it from the mobile app. We need to download the app named NGTeco Home, and which supports all the NGTeco Home series products, such as the smart cameras, the locks, doorbells, and the gateways. We need to register the ID when the first login by private email address. Now we have registered already. After it, click the plus button and choose camera from the left side product list. And then click the scan icon on the red top corner. Now you could scan the QR code now. The device will be added in your Cloud ID automatically. Click Done. Click. Now the picture is pop up, and also you can see the streaming. So it's very easy to make the setup. Okay everyone, this I would like to share with you today. Please refer to our product's features and stay tuned to our channels. Thanks for watching.